Being a HVAC service technician means relying on a diverse set of tools to handle the wide range of tasks that come with the job. With the growing demand for HVAC services in 2024, staying equipped with the latest tools is more important than ever. Let's explore the must-have HVAC tools for 2024. 1. Multimeter. A multimeter is essential for diagnosing electrical issues in HVAC systems. It measures voltage, current, and resistance, allowing you to safely troubleshoot and repair electrical components. Second, manifold gauge set. This tool is indispensable for measuring and adjusting refrigerant levels. Whether you're working on residential or commercial systems, a manifold gauge set is a must-have. 3. Vacuum pump. A high-quality vacuum pump is crucial for evacuating air and moisture from refrigerant lines before recharging them, ensuring the system operates efficiently. 4th, refrigerant scale. Accurate refrigerant charging is vital for system performance, and a refrigerant scale ensures you add the correct amount every time. 5. Leak detector. A reliable leak detector helps you quickly locate refrigerant leaks, saving time and reducing system downtime. 6. Thermometer. Thermometers, whether infrared or probe style, are essential for accurately measuring temperatures throughout the HVAC system. 7. Psychrometer. This tool measures humidity and temperature, providing critical data for diagnosing and optimizing HVAC performance. 8. Pipe wrenches. Available in various sizes, pipe wrenches are necessary for working with plumbing and gas lines within HVAC systems. 9. Cordless drill. A cordless drill with a variety of bits streamlines installation and repair tasks, making it an invaluable addition to your toolkit. 10. Screwdrivers. A set of high-quality screwdrivers, including both flathead and Phillips, is essential for everyday tasks. Magnetic tips can further enhance efficiency. Having the right tools is key to success as an HVAC technician. With these essential tools in your arsenal, you're prepared to tackle any job that comes your way in 2024. From basic repairs to complex installations, your toolkit is your best ally, ensuring efficiency and professionalism. Before your next job, check your toolkit. Are you equipped with the right tools? If not, it might be time for an upgrade. Remember, a well-equipped technician is a successful technician. Learn more